shifting focus, as my colleague Tejinder has already touched upon, it's been 5 years since the centre abrogated the controversial Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir. Since abrogation, Jammu and Kashmir has witnessed a peace, progress and transformation. Two sectors majorly which have witnessed a massive change are tourism and cinema, with the filmmakers have already started again to make Valley their Adobe. The influx of tourists have already generated jobs and revenue.
हमारे देश में जब भी सिनेमा की चर्चा होती है तो उसमें जम्मू कश्मीर निश्चित तौर पर शामिल रहता है। मुझे लगता है कि एक ऑर्गेनिक रिलेशनशिप है जो साल दर साल बढ़ती रही है, ग्रो करती रही है। ये सच है कि अन्य रिलेशनशिप की तरह सिनेमा और जम्मू कश्मीर के संबंध में भी तमाम उतार चढ़ाव देखे, अनेक चुनौतियां भी झेली और दशकों तक अलगाव या मैं कहूं कि विरह का दंश भी झेला है।
Kashmir is once a destination which has been explored by filmmakers since 90s. Then we saw a small little halt which came midway. And now today again, filmmakers like you and others are coming to Kashmir to not only promote but also to shoot. How heartwarming is this entire process?
I think absolutely great initiative, and I really feel it's absolutely a great landmark conclave today happened. And it's great encouraging for the filmmakers, not only local Kashmiri. There are tremendous amount of, a lot of people from the tourism department and a lot of people locally also I know. I've been coming over here to the valley from last 16 to 17 years and very regularly I've come. And I have seen there's so much of unexplored location which has been not shot during the 60s, 70s also, when the tourism department to get more such gems over here which has been not explored by the film industry people over here. About globally also we said that this is a big Kashmir is there where you can come and you have such beautiful climates over here, we have such beautiful weathers over here, and with the great initiative today by under the leadership of Sinha Saab, absolutely great. I'm very happy today.
आज ही के दिन 5 अगस्त 2019 को जिस तरीके से पार्लियामेंट ने आर्टिकल 370 और 35 को निरस्त किया और भारत का संविधान पूरा जम्मू कश्मीर पर लागू हुआ और उसके आज परिणाम भी आ रहे हैं। आज यहाँ पर आतंकवाद के ऊपर अंकुश लगा है, लगाववादी जो हैं जेल में हैं, जहाँ वो बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं। आज जम्मू कश्मीर का आम व्यक्ति जो है और विशेष तौर कश्मीर में अगर 2000 टूरिस्ट आते हैं तो यहाँ के नौजवानों को, गरीबों को, मजदूरों को, जो व्यापारियों को, हर प्रकार के लोगों को उनको जो है रोजगार मिल रहा है, शांति है।
Shamim sir, you're involved in tour and travel business for a very long time now. You're quite senior. For a few years, we have seen that there is a considerable increase in the number of tourists. What do you have to say?
Yes, post-COVID, Almighty has been kind to us. We have seen very promising numbers coming to Kashmir, and they are increasing every year on year basis, and we are sure that if necessary infrastructure is developed, the numbers can go up and they can be managed well. And if we see currently the infrastructure is there, but I feel that we need the type of tourists coming into valley are very encouraging. They are looking for quality accommodation. The tourists coming they need accommodation right from budget to 5-star deluxe. New hotels have come up, but with hotels we need to have other infrastructure, we need to have other do's and don'ts in place. We need to streamline. The current government is doing very good, that the numbers are increasing, so it is giving employment directly and indirectly to the people.